Exercise 7.4, question number 1. Find the ratio in which the line 2x plus y minus 4 equal to 0 divides the line segment joining the points a2, minus 2 and b3, 7. In this question, 2 points are given, a and b, with coordinates 2, minus 2 and 3, 7. And the equation of line is also given, 2x plus y minus 4 equal to 0. And this given line divides the line segment joining two given points in a certain ratio. That ratio we have to find out. So, given points are A with coordinates 2, minus 2 and B with coordinates 3, 7, and given line is 2x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0, and this line 2x plus y minus 4 equal to 0 divides the line segment joining two given points A and B. So, situation of points and line may be like this in this question. A and B are two given points with coordinates 2, minus 2 and B 3, 7, and this line 2x plus y minus 4 equal to 0 divides this line segment at a point, let this point be P, at which this given line 2x plus y minus 4 equal to 0 divides this given line segment AB in certain ratio. Let us assume that this line divides the given line segment in the ratio k is to 1 at point P. So, let the given line 2x plus y minus 4 equal to 0 divide the line segment AB in the ratio k is to 1 at point P. So, using section formula we can write coordinates of point P in terms of coordinates of A and B, and k is to 1, the required ratio which we have to determine. So, using section formula, coordinates of point P are, now here we are going to use section formula m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. m1 is k, m2 is 1 here. So, m1 y2 k into 3 plus 1 into 2. So, 3k plus 2 by k plus 1 m1 plus m2, and k into 7, 7k plus 1 into minus 2. So, 7k minus 2 by k plus 1 m1 plus m2. So, this is the coordinates of point P which we have found using section formula, because point P divides the line segment AB in the ratio k is to 1. Actually this line 2x plus y minus 4 equal to 0 divides this given line segment in the ratio k is to 1 at point P. Since point P lies on the line segment, also lies on the given line 2x plus y minus 4 equal to 0, that's why we are saying that this point P divides the line segment in the ratio k is to 1. So which is the same as dividing this line segment by this given line 2x plus y minus 4 in the ratio k is to 1. Since this point P lies on the line segment on the line 2x plus y minus 4 equal to 0, therefore we have 2x plus y minus 4 equal to 0 will be satisfied by the coordinates of this point P, 3x plus 2 by k plus 1, 7k minus 2 by k plus 1. Because point P being on the line segment AB also lies on the given line 2x plus y minus 4 equal to 0. That is why coordinates of this point P will satisfy the equation of given straight line 2x plus y minus 4 equal to 0. So we can write 2 into 3k plus 2 by k plus 1 plus 7k minus 2 by k plus 1 minus 4 equal to 0. What we have done here, actually in the given equation of straight line we have substituted the coordinates of point P. Now solving this equation, we have 2 into 3k plus 2 plus 7k minus 2 minus 4 into k plus 1 divided by k plus 1, because k plus 1 is LCM of left hand side. So LCM we have taken k plus 1 and written the numerator 2 into 3k plus 2 plus 7k minus 2 minus 4 into k plus 1. This is equal to 2 into 3k plus 2 plus 7k minus 2 minus 4 into k plus 1 equal to 0, because k plus 1 into 0 cross multiplied and we got 0 on right hand side. And on simplifying this left hand side, we get 2 into 3k 6k plus 4 plus 7k minus 2 minus 4k minus 4 is equal to 0. And this implies 6k plus 7k 13 minus 4 9k minus 4 minus 2 minus 6 plus 4 are directly plus 4 minus 4 cancelled. So 9k minus 2 is equal to 0, and this implies k is equal to 2 by 9. Hence the required ratio k is to 1 is equal to 2 is to 9, and this 2:9 is the required ratio in which this given line 2x plus y minus 4 divides the line segment joining two given points a2, minus 2 and 3, 7.